Hello dear students, I hope that your GATE 2021 forenoon session went well. We are collecting the questions, verifying the questions, and then we will be coming up with a detailed solution today itself. So I am going to keep it very organized, and a detailed conceptual discussion also we are going to do on those. But for now, the information and data that we have collected and verified so far, I am going to put up in front of you for the GATE 2021 mechanical forenoon session. The number of MCQs are 0. There has been not a single MSQ in the forenoon session. If we talk about the MCQ questions, then in the technical portion 37 marks of MCQ questions were present, MCQ, and the general aptitude part was totally MCQ, so that added 15 marks more. So it brings the total of MCQs to 52 marks. After that, 48 marks of NAT were asked and 0 MSQs were asked in GATE Mechanical 2021 forenoon session. Coming to the distribution of the marks across the subjects, have a look at this chart. As you can see from the chart, manufacturing and production were asked of total 16 marks, reasoning and aptitude of 15 marks, engineering mathematics 13 marks. There is slight confusion here, but for now let us take it as 13 marks. Strength of materials was asked of 8 marks. After that, engineering mechanics of 2 marks, theory of machines 9 marks, fluid mechanics 6 marks, heat transfer 6 marks, industrial engineering 7 marks. There is slight confusion here also, it can be slightly less than that as well. Engineering thermodynamics 6 marks, thermodynamics applications again 6 marks, and machine design 6 marks. So as we can see that the design subjects, mechanics, strength of material, theory of machine, machine design, these subjects are roughly around 25 marks. Coming to the fluid and thermal subjects, they are also roughly of the same 23-24 marks. Coming to the last part of industrial and manufacturing, that part is again roughly 24-25 marks. So there is near equal distribution of marks in all the 3 different sections. So as I keep telling you that please do not try to conclude things from the previous GATE, that IIT Bombay conducted GATE at that time and it asked design questions more. It's not like that. It's equal distribution of marks in GATE 2021 forenoon session across all the 3 sections of designing, fluid and thermal, and manufacturing and production and industrial, that part. So it's an important learning which I keep telling you, and again I'm repeating it here, that focus irrespective of what IIT is preparing. Prepare as if it can be any type of question, any type of weightage that can be asked. Anyway, coming to conclude this short discussion, this is the quite accurate analysis that we have provided so far, because we don't just give information without verifying it, without getting it verified. So wait, we will be coming up with a single video that will cover all the questions in a very organized manner. All right, see you then.